Kumusta everyone? Welcome to another episode of Life Reflections, kung saan natin tatalakayin ang magagandang aspeto at hiwaga ng buhay. Ako ulit si Tito J, at sa episode na ito, gusto kong magpasalamat na nagpapaalala sa akin tungkol sa tatlong importanteng values. Ito ang humility, honesty, at integrity. Sa buhay, madalas nating naririnig ang mga salitang humility, honesty, at integrity. Pero, gaano ba talaga natin sila pinapahalagahan? Let's start with humility. Napakahirap maging humble sa mundong ito, especially when we are taught to be strong, to be independent, to act like we have it all together, especially sa generation na to. Pero, alam nyo ba na ang tunay na humility ay ang pagtanggap na hindi natin kayang mag-isa. Naalala ko yung times na feeling ko kaya ko lahat. But life has a way of reminding us that we are human. Hindi natin kontrolado ang lahat ng bagay. Minsan, it takes breaking down those moments when you're crying out. And in that moment, when you really finally let go of your pride, doon mo mararamdaman yung warm embrace ng Diyos. Ang next naman ay ang honesty. Madalas, we tell ourselves na white lies are harmless. Pero ang totoo, bawat kasinungalingan, maliit man o malaki, ay bumibigat sa ating puso. Every lie builds a wall, not just between us and others, but between us and ourselves. You look in the mirror and wonder, who am I really? And it's heartbreaking when you realize na hindi mo nakilala ang sarili mo. There was a time in my life na I had to face the truth about who I was, the choices I made, at alam ko na may nakikinig ngayon na nandyan sa punto na yon. I want to remind you, telling the truth might hurt, pero it's the only way to free yourself from the weight of living a lie. Truth heals kahit masakit sa simula. Lastly, integrity. Sabi nga nila, integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Pero madali ba yon? No. Ilang beses na tayong natukso, na lumihis, na mag-compromise. Whether sa trabaho, sa pamilya, sa relationships, we've all been tested. Nakakapagod ang pressure to conform to what the world expects. Pero walang halaga ang success kung ang kapalit nito ay ang ating sariling integridad. I had a friend who rose so high in his career, pero nung bumagsak siya, it wasn't because of his skills, but because he compromised his values. His heart was broken, not by others, but by his own actions. Again, humility, honesty, integrity. Ito ang mga tatlong bagay na hindi madaling yakapin. They require sacrifice. They require tears. Pero bawat luha na bumagsak ay nagbibigay daan para sa isang bagong simula. Ngayon, ang tanong, are you willing to take and walk that path? Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Until next time, this is Tito J, reminding you to embrace life, its challenges, and its wonders. Alam!